Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of clutter taking over your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out smart Amazon organization finds that help you maximize storage, stay organized, and make every room feel cleaner and more functional. You'll find links to every product in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the MSHOMELY Bed Sheet Organizers, a simple way to keep your linen closet neat and organized. Each organizer stores a complete sheet set, including your fitted sheet, flat sheet, and pillowcases, so everything stays together in one place. The clear viewing window lets you quickly find the set you need, while the sturdy design keeps your linens protected and easy to stack. It's a smart storage solution that makes laundry day and closet organization much easier. Number 2, the Vtopmart 4-pack large stackable organizers, a smart storage solution for keeping your home neat and organized. The clear pull-out drawers make it easy to see and access everything inside, while the stackable design helps maximize vertical storage in cabinets, pantries, bathrooms, or under the sink. They're perfect for organizing snacks, toiletries, cleaning supplies, cosmetics, and other everyday essentials, making any space look cleaner and more organized. Number 3, the Amllas 10-pack shoeboxes, a great way to organize your closet while protecting your favorite footwear. The clear front doors let you quickly see every pair without opening each box, and the stackable design helps maximize vertical storage in closets, bedrooms, or entryways. They're perfect for sneakers, heels, boots, and everyday shoes, giving your space a clean, organized look. Number 4, the YAASHEEN under bed storage, a smart way to make use of the extra space under your bed. It's perfect for storing seasonal clothing, extra blankets, shoes, and other items you don't need every day. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to slide in and out, while the covered design helps keep everything clean, organized, and protected from dust. All products links are in the description below. Number 5, the 3-section laundry sorter with 2 drawers, a practical solution that makes laundry day easier and more organized. The 3 separate compartments let you sort lights, darks, and delicates as you go, while the 2 storage drawers keep detergent, dryer sheets, stain removers, and other laundry essentials within easy reach. The rolling wheels make it easy to move from room to room, making it a great addition to any laundry area. Number 6, the DIMJ Clothes Drawer Organizer, a simple and affordable way to keep your dresser drawers neat and organized. It's perfect for separating socks, underwear, bras, t-shirts, leggings, and other everyday essentials, so everything has its own place. The foldable design saves space when not in use, and the divided compartments make it easy to find what you need without digging through messy drawers. Number 7, the Conworld Laundry Detergent Dispenser, a simple upgrade that helps keep your laundry room looking clean and organized. It provides a neat way to store and dispense laundry detergent while reducing spills and messy bottles. The easy pour design makes laundry day more convenient, and its modern look adds a clean, organized touch to any laundry space. Number 8, the Lifelongpal Narrow Storage Cabinet, a smart solution for making the most of those tight and used spaces around your home. Its slim design fits perfectly beside the washer and dryer, between cabinets, or in small bathrooms and kitchens, giving you extra storage without taking up valuable floor space. The multiple shelves are ideal for organizing toiletries, cleaning supplies, pantry items, and other everyday essentials, helping keep your home neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 9, the Laiensia Double Rod Garment Rack, a simple way to add extra closet space without a costly remodel. The 2 hanging rods provide plenty of room for shirts, dresses, jackets, and coats, while the bottom shelf is perfect for shoes, storage bins, or luggage. Its sturdy, space-saving design makes it a great addition to bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, or laundry rooms where extra clothing storage is always welcome. Number 10, the Kalrin Over-the-Toilet Storage Rack, a smart way to add extra storage to your bathroom without taking up additional floor space. The multi-tier shelves fit neatly over most standard toilets, giving you plenty of room for towels, toilet paper, toiletries, plants, and decorative accents. It's a practical storage solution that helps keep your bathroom organized while giving it a clean, modern look. Number 11, the Shelf Dividers Purse Organizer, a simple way to keep your closet looking neat and organized. These dividers help separate handbags, purses, clothes, blankets, and other items, preventing messy stacks and making everything easier to find. It's a great space-saving solution for closets, shelves, and wardrobes, helping you create a cleaner and more organized storage area. Number 12, the Sweetcrispy Nightstand with 2 storage drawers, a compact and stylish storage solution for bedrooms, living rooms, or small spaces. The two drawers provide convenient storage for books, chargers, glasses, and everyday essentials, while the tabletop is perfect for a lamp, decor, or your favorite items. Its simple design makes it a great fit for apartments, dorm rooms, and modern bedrooms. Number 13, the Univivi over-the-door organizer, a quick and easy way to add extra storage without taking up any floor space. With multiple pockets, it's perfect for organizing shoes, toiletries, cleaning supplies, snacks, accessories, and everyday essentials. Simply hang it over your door to create more storage and keep your home neat, tidy, and clutter-free. Number 14, the HomePekite Laundry Pod Storage Container, a simple way to keep your laundry area clean and organized. It provides a stylish place to store laundry pods while keeping them protected, easy to access, and neatly displayed. The clear design lets you see when it's time to refill, making laundry day more convenient while reducing clutter around your washer and dryer. Number 15, the ClearSpace Oversized Moving Bags, a practical storage solution for moving, organizing, and decluttering your home. These large capacity bags are perfect for storing clothes, blankets, bedding, toys, seasonal items, and more. The durable design and convenient handles make them easy to carry, while the space-saving style helps keep closets, bedrooms, and storage areas neat and organized. If you enjoyed these Amazon organization finds, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart home products, and check out all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching.